For Nevadans who want to protect themselves against influenza this season, there's now an option to do so without even leaving home. Plus, newly released recommendations to keep your blood pressure low. Kristen Remington has those stories and more in tonight's Health Watch.
There are new guidelines for people at risk of high blood pressure. The American Heart Association recommends limiting salt intake, consuming no more than 2 alcoholic drinks a day for men and 1 drink a day for women, losing 5% of your body weight if you're overweight, and managing stress with meditation, breathing exercises, and yoga. High blood pressure affects nearly half of U.S. adults and is the nation's leading cause of death. More than a third of Americans aren't aware of the link between the human papillomavirus and cancer and don't know there's a vaccine that can prevent it. New analysis published in JAMA Oncology shows HPV vaccination rates for boys are far lower than for girls, which doctors say is problematic because while HPV can cause cervical cancer, it can also affect men with cancers in the head and neck. Researchers say they've discovered more than 100 people in their 60s and 70s with the immune system of someone much younger. A Mayo Clinic study calls it a fountain of youth immune system and says these people have specialized immune cells. Scientists hope to learn more about why these people have young immune systems, but there is a downside, they say, a higher risk of autoimmune disease. AstraZeneca's FluMist can now be delivered to homes in 34 states, including Nevada, under the brand name FluMist Home. Doctors say the nasal spray vaccine can be self-administered by most adults. Parents or caregivers can give out doses to children and the elderly. The vaccine can be ordered online after a medical screening questionnaire is filled out and reviewed by a licensed healthcare provider. Most insurance plans reportedly cover it. FluMist has been around for 2 decades. It got FDA approval last year to be self-administered, but wasn't ready for home delivery last flu season. Covering Health Watch, Kristen Remington, 2 News Nevada.
The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention says more than 1 million people were hospitalized with the flu between October 2024 and May of this year. For a closer look, go to the feature section of our website, 2news.com, and click on the Health Watch icon.